The headlights. Whoa. The headlights, guys. That is brutal. Look at the details inside those lights. That's nasty. Wow. Hello guys, I hope you all are having a great day. This is Dev coming to you from RC Overdose Diecast Collector. And in today's content, guys, I'm introducing Liberty Walk Lamborghini HURACÁN. And this is going to be red, and it's an exclusive model. I love everything about Mini GT and even more about Liberty Walk. So let's get into some details. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And let's get started. So my love for Liberty Walk started off with this R34 that I got from Street Weapon, and then I got the Liberty Walk R34 from Hot Wheels, and this is actually a recent release from Boulevard Edition. I also recently acquired this Aventador matte silver. It looks very solid, and I will be unboxing this in the next video. But for now, let's focus on our HURACÁN. So there is the amazing Lamborghini HURACÁN. Look at those rims, guys. Awesome rims. And first of all, I would like to point out, guys, that the logos and the decals and everything on the car are so perfectly done that it'd be hard for you to imagine that how did they come up with that kind of stuff. That's awesome. Amazing work on the lettering as well. The spoiler is carbon tip, which is perfect. The headlights, whoa. The headlights, guys, that is brutal. Look at the details inside those lights. That's nasty. Wow. Let's see the Lamborghini logo. And if you guys ever wondered about the rubber wheels from Mini GT that they add, they actually are very good quality rubber wheels, and the rims are not too bad either. You know, they roll and they're okay, they're all right. They're not the best when it comes to all the models, but in some models I've seen Mini GT put out some amazing set of rims, and I love that about that. But I mean, you can always, guys, customize the rims. These are hobby grade cars. 2 screws and they pop off the rims right away and add whatever you want, so no complaining about that whatsoever. Here's a look at the tire tread marks. Look at those amazing Lamborghini HURACÁN tires. It's actually resembling the very real tire that it has in the car. And also that matter of fact that it's a real rubber gives you a real feeling when you roll it around.